Hi guys, I don't believe it. Mail call, third week in a row that I got something. Oh, and I'm wearing the LBI, focus, no focus, LBI shirt. Thanks again, Theo. Fits great. Package from my future father-in-law, Steve Robb. It feels soft. He recently did a video about bra sizing, how to correctly size a bra. The link is in the description. Very informative. So if you have friends that need help with bra sizing, lend a hand. Everyone I've approached has sort of freaked out, so I've kind of stopped asking. But anyways, yeah, Steve Robb, future father-in-law. Haven't met his daughter yet, and if you know me, it's probably because I'm after the tools, inherit the tools. So, but I'm sure that Nicole would be a fine pairing with me. Anywho, so we got what feels like a t-shirt. It's white. It's one of his new shirts. Oh, my green screen is acting up. Front and back. Let's have some fun. Yeah, excuse me, do you need help sizing your bra? And then I turn around, let's have some fun. Awesome stuff. Thank you, Steve. Look forward to meeting Nicole one of these days. Let's have some fun. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Sorted.